Good students, today I am going to teach you about trigonometrical ratios. Serial number second, trigonometrical ratio. Before its I have bought before its I have taught you about trigonometry in serial number 1. You can say in our playlist. Trigonometrical ratios. Today we will study about this. Trigonometrical ratios are depend on 6 ratios. Here trigonometrical ratio are 6. Trigonometrical ratios are 6 as sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sec and cosec. Sec and cosec. So these are 6 trigonometrical ratio, which is very important. Here these ratios are depend on right triangle. These ratios are depend on right triangle. Here this is the right triangle. Okay students, here P, Q, R. PQ is the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. It is denoted by P, and RQ is the base. RQ is the base. Then you can write in shortcut B, and PR is the hypotenuse. 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 It is write in shortcut H. Can write H. Write in shortcut H. Hypotenuse, perpendicular line PQ, and RQ is the base. Here, and let this is angle theta. Here angle R is let theta, then its front side PQ is the perpendicular line. If take here theta, then this is the base and front sides of theta is equal to QR. perpendicular and base is depend on the making of angle. If this angle make here, then this or PQ is the base and its front side QR is perpendicular line. If here theta made, then this front side PQ is the perpendicular line. So okay students, so these types we observe the base and perpendicular line on the basis of made angle. Here sin theta ratio, we can write the ratio on the sides of the triangles, angles and sides. Here PQ perpendicular line, P by, or you can write PQ by PR. PQ perpendicular by hypotenuse. The ratio of sin theta is equal to perpendicular line divided by hypotenuse. Here you can write in short form P by B. P perpendicular line, B base. Here cos theta. Cos theta means QR base by hypotenuse. Base QR by PR, hypotenuse. PR. You can write it's B by H. In short, B by H. And tan theta, here write tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular line by base or PQ by QR. Perpendicular line by base. You can write here P by B, perpendicular line by base. Here its opposite. Sin, cosec is the opposite of sin and cos is opposite of sec and tan opposite of cot. Here we can write cosec theta is equal to PR by PQ. It's opposite. PQ by hypotenuse, here PR means H. Sorry. Now it is correct. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. PQ perpendicular line and PR is the hypotenuse H. Here we can write H by P, opposite of the sin theta, and here cos theta opposite of sec theta is equal to H by, we can write PR by QR and you can write H by B. And here tan opposite cot theta. Cot theta is equal to QR by PQ. You can write B by P. Base by perpendicular line. So this here cosec theta opposite of sin theta and sec theta opposite of cos theta and cot theta opposite of tan theta. Okay student, this is the very important portion. These relations we can write here. We can write here as sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta can write here and sin theta can write here. So you can write here cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, and you can write here by 1 cross multiply sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Thus make three formula by this. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta can write, and sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1 can write. Here sec theta, similarly sec theta is equal to 1 by here cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and you can write here sec theta is equal to, similarly sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and here sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1 can write. Okay student, this is the very important formula, and you can write here. You can write here tan theta is equal to tan theta, its opposite 1 by cot theta, and you can write here cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta can write, and here multiply, cross multiply, here you can write cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. This is also make a three formula. So this concept is very important and you learn all. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.